Well, I want to replace the rollers on my garage door because I think it's making some noise and I like to be as quiet as possible. So this is how it sounds now. So now let's change the rollers and see what difference it makes in sound. I ordered some new rollers. I got them in yesterday. Here they are. They come with in boxes of 10. They're nylon. One thing you have to check on your old ones and see the diameter of the roller, because they have different sizes. They have 2 inches and they also have 3 inches. So you have to check which ones are yours. 2 inches like this, or 3 inches a little bit longer. And then the other one is the length of the stem. The length here. The standard is like 4 inches, like this one. But they also have ones with 7 inches length. So you have to measure that before you buy them. So diameter of the roller and the length of the stem. So let's change them and see how it works out. First I'm going to do the top roller. Take out this bracket here. So you got it out. Put the new one in there. Slide it in there. That's how you do it on the top roller. You can do it also the same way on the other rollers, except not the bottom roller. You cannot do it like that on the bottom roller, the bottom one, because there is the spring. The spring is attached to the cable. See the cable here? And then it goes to the bottom bracket. Hooked up to the bottom bracket. You see this cable here? It's hooked up here to that bottom bracket, and if you take that bracket off, the spring is going to pull this thing up and you can get hurt, you know. So You cannot do it like that. You cannot take off these bolts on the bottom brackets. Only on the bottom one because of that cable with the spring that's hooked up to it. So don't touch this bracket. You have to pull it out a different way. What you have to do is you're going to have to make an opening on the top. First you have to open the door all the way. Open completely. Then you have to disengage your door like this, so you can move your door by hand. So you're gonna have to open this, move this part here, so you can get the roller out. There we go. Open some more. Pull it out. And put the new roll in there. That's it. One more. It. Now push this back the way it was. Okay, so the top side we have to take off the bracket because the top side stays somewhere on top here, so we cannot bring it all the way over here. So only the top side we take off the bracket, and all the other ones we do it like this way here. So let's go now to the other side. So let's make some space here again. Okay, that's it. So we cannot do the top one because it doesn't go that low. See, in the top one, we have to take off the brackets for that one. We still have to put that guide back the way it was. I have to open the door and make it easier. So let's see how it sounds now when we open the door. That sounds a lot better. Now it's quiet. Still have to fix that guide there that I didn't fix right. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's it. Okay, let's try this one more time. Let's close the door. And that's it. That's how you do it.